Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can set up flash notifications on Android whenever you receive a notification on your phone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to enable flashlight notifications on your Android phone. Now on most Android phone, let's say from Android 10, 11 and 12 upwards, you already might have the flashlight notification features on your settings by default. You simply have to go ahead and look for it. For example, on Samsung One UI devices, so what you have to do is you have to go ahead and simply open the settings app on your phone. Once you go ahead and open settings, you can see somehow it is going to look like this. And what you have to do is you have to go ahead and simply tap on accessibility. So go ahead and look for the accessibility option. Once you find accessibility, simply tap on it. As you tap on accessibility settings, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. If you look closely here, you'll find another setting which says advanced settings. All you have to do is simply tap on advanced settings. As soon as you tap on advanced settings, right over here halfway down the bottom, you'll find a section which says flashlight notification, and all you have to do is simply tap on flashlight notification, and you have to simply go ahead and turn on camera flash notifications. You can simply tap on it right over here. If you want, you can also turn on screen flash notification. For example, if you want your screen to flash every time you receive a notification. Now you could go ahead and simply tap on the preview option if you want to go ahead and view it. As you can see, our flashlight is going to blink from the backwards. And if you turn on screen flash notifications, let's say you want to preview it, your preview will somehow look like this. And you can simply turn that off if you want. If you want, by the way, to change the colors, you could only simply tap on this color button, and you could go ahead and choose any one which you wish. For example, blue, which really looks like the native color. You could tap on preview, and you can see the flash notification will kind of look like this. And you can turn that off if you want. If you don't find it within the settings, let's say you are simply searching for it, what you can do is you can simply actually also take the help of the search box. So tap on the search box which you see on any Android phone which you have. You could simply type in flash notifications as some kind of keyword in order to get that relevant results. Let's say that this solution is not working for you. The other thing you can also do is on Android phones, typically it's very basically easy. You have to simply open your Play Store, and you can do it with the help of a third-party application. So you could go ahead and simply tap on flash notifications. For example, I will simply go ahead and type in flashlight notification. You can basically download any of the apps on this list in order to enable the flashlight notifications on your Android phone. This was the way on how you can enable flashlight notifications on Android. You can use the phone's default feature if you want, or if you don't know how, you can also use the third-party applications in order to help you with it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.